Here you go, boy.
Where's it?
You try.
First, hold the aeroplane gun.
No, hold the gun first. Okay.
3, 2, 1, blast off! It's fun and easy to make.
As usual, before I start, I do some sketches. All in it are some recycled cardboards, cards, a rubber band, and a 5-cent coin. For the size of the laundry, do not do it randomly. Design tip number 1, ergonomic does matter. So, find some references. In this case, Lufkin can help. The basic design is done, then cut it out. Looks good, then glue it. The last part of the laundry is the runway. Cut the middle area out to make a gap. And stick it on top of the laundry. Use the stapler to attach the rubber band. The laundry is done. It's time to build the plane. A tip to make the plane fly better, put the weight in the front of the plane. Use the 5-cent coin or whatever the smaller coin you have. Add some color and put it together. Yeah, it's done. Let's try it. If you have more time, you can make the laundry a bit fancier, as well as the plane. If you don't have much time, it's basically work like this. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please thumbs and subscribe.